အားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါဒီနေ့မှာတော့ဘန်ကောက်မှာရှိတဲ့ Renaissance Hotel Flipper Restaurant မှာတွားပြီးတော့ buffet dinner တွားစားမှာပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ menu တွေကိုကြည့်လိုက်ရအောင်နော် Welcome to Renaissance Hotel. Tonight we are taking you inside our buffet dinner experience. You will find a variety of dishes from fresh seafood and grilled meats to salad and desserts. It's a perfect place to enjoy a relaxed evening with family, friends, or colleagues. Join us at the Renaissance Hotel buffet dinner and discover a meal that will delicious and memorable. Sushi and sashimi. Beef tamaki. Let's check that. What are these?
Salad.
Eggplant.
Yeah, I think you like this one.
This one. What is that? Korean oyster. This one is Korean oyster. I will eat Korean oyster. This one. I will eat. This one is Babylon. Black mussel, king crab, blue swimmer.
You can do like a Caesar salad by yourself. Or the actually put that.
I got a lot. Oh, here.
Yeah.
Mixed vegetable curry. So what is that? That one is, I don't know how to spell. Takkar. Dal takkar. What is that? Oh, rice lah. Right. Basmati rice. Oh, it look alloy na. What is that by the way? I think this is beef na. Yeah, beef.
And they are
Oh, this is lamb.
like Indian chef.
The pizza lah. Truffle pizza. Look tasty. This is the one I like the most. This is the one I like. Cheese. Truffle fettuccine. Truffle fettuccine. Baked sea bass. Baked sea bass. Roasted leg rack. Roasted and scrambled. Everything look tasty. Shoot us and get braised fish short ribs. Chicken with truffle cream sauce. Go. This one. Truffle mushroom mussel with rolls, fritters. What's this? Truffle mashed potato. Oh, mashed potato. What is that? Carrot cream soup. I like it. I will try this. And it's a mashed potato. Steam barbecue pork and pork. spicy best with grain mango sauce. Stir fry seafood good tuna. Good tasty. This one. Water chestnut with coconut milk. Oh. This one is sort of Thai to sauce. Small little thing, tasty. Red velvet cake, mango and cotton. This one called opera cake, brownie cake.